got you. I'm gonna cut right in front of you. Hey, what's up, man?
What's up, man?
Man, you in a rush?
No, speed limit was 45.
I got you. You're going a little left to center over there on coming on a Sunset.
My tire messed up.
Yeah, I'm code for just pulling to a private drive. Your tires messed up? All right, you got your license on you? Okay. Whose car is this?
Mine.
It's what?
Mine.
It's your car? Okay. You mind? I don't want all your paper. I just want to find me the bill of sale for me.
It's in my wife's name. I just brought the car. Man, it's all in him, man.
What'd you say?
It's all in him.
No, I just need the bill of sale.
Oh, let me call my wife too.
Okay. All right. Oh man, do you have the insurance information, bud?
She got this on her email.
What'd you say?
She had this on her email.
Okay. Whose car is it? Yours or hers?
It's her. It's in her name, but it's my car.
Okay. I got you. Okay. Is there any kind of weapons in the car?
No, sir.
No weapons?
No, sir.
Okay. Where are you coming from right now?
I'm coming from home.
Okay, where's home at?
On Marion Street.
Marion? Okay. And where are you coming to right now?
My uncle's house.
Okay. Who lives here?
I just got pulled in something.
Who lives here?
My uncle.
I mean, who's your uncle?
My uncle Sammy Lee.
Who?
Sammy Lee.
Sammy Lee. Okay,
Yeah.
I got you. I got you.
Can you come down here with insurance information? I ain't gonna.
Who's Furman, Washington?
That's where I brought the car from.
Okay, I got you. And your wife's name?
Wukela Flood.
Wukela Flood?
Yeah.
Okay. And so there's no weapons in the car?
That's why you asking me if there's weapons in the car.
I'm just asking a question.
Okay.
You know, kind of like guns?
No, sir. Why did you ask me if there's any weapons in the car?
Because I'm just asking you.
Okay.
I'm worried about weapons. We got a problem with weapons in this area.
So, can you just go ahead and get my ticket if I got a ticket, sir, please?
Okay, I got you. Is there any kind of drugs in the car, sir?
No, sir, please.
Okay, all right. I can smell a little bit of weed coming from the car.
That was earlier. My homeboy was in the car.
That's fine, man. Just go ahead and step out on that side for me real quick.
For what, sir?
Just step out on that side for me real quick. Just go ahead and step out on that side, please.
Sir, I'm not stepping out of my car for what?
You are stepping out of the car, please, sir. Just
what am I stepping out of my car for?
Sir, I smell marijuana, okay, in the car. I'm not trying to have no issues, okay?
Well, sir, I'm not stepping out of my car right now.
Yes, sir.
No, I'm not. Can you just run my information?
Yes, sir. Delta, can you 25? Sir, I need you to step out of the car. Mr. Flood, I need you to step out of the car. Stop. 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 Shots fired. Shots fired. Shit. Just 1050 in my car. I have shots fired.
How far away from you? I'm over here on Waverly with this lady.
You got it, Chris? Driver! Let me see your heads! You see anybody? You see anybody?
See your hands now!
I'm going up. Car's empty. There's blood in the vehicle. Bravo Mike, he had a beanie cap on, heavy set, probably about 250. I believe he's wearing sweatpants. He's got to be somewhere in the area. This is fresh. I don't know how much damage is to my car, but I know he hit the front of it.
That's that corner. So it was sort of like this, and he backed into you.
Yeah.
You know, when he did, like he cut the wheel a little bit so the front end come out,
And like I said, you know, back in the end, that's when, you know, I seen that, you know, that front end coming around. I was just like, oh shit, you know, just.
Where were you?
I was on the driver's side. Had Burgess was right there at the driver's door, and I was right behind Burgess. That's what you see, revving, like he was trying to figure out what he wanted to do. You know, sort of revving the engine.
Are you okay?
I will be. I'm just happy Burgess didn't get.
You got me double checking, man. I know I didn't.
Oh, really, that car's going around. I'm surprised it didn't hit him.
I don't even know what to do now.